Welcome back to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on screen magnification on your Android phone so you can easily read small text. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll a little and select Magnification. Here, the first thing you want to do is enable a shortcut for easy access. Tap on the magnification shortcut option and choose the accessibility button. Next, tap on magnification type. You'll see two options, full screen magnification and partial magnification. If you choose full screen, your entire display will zoom in when you activate the shortcut. If you choose partial magnification, you'll get a small magnification box on your screen. You can move this box around to zoom in on specific areas while the rest of the screen stays normal. You can also adjust the zoom level and even resize the magnification box to fit your needs. And that's it. You've successfully enabled screen magnification on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.